The pandemic situation has been changed the traditional teaching to online teaching. So teachers are facing a lot of challenges in handling the attendance of the students. So this Google Meet attendance is an extension which would be helpful for the teachers to track the record of the students who attended the classes. So come, let's we go and see how to enable this, add this Google Meet attendance extension in Google Chrome and how to conduct a class in Google Meet. Just what you do is go to the browser and type www.google.com. So once your Google page appears, just type Google Meet attendance and press enter. So you may get the first tab as Google Meet attendance, Google Chrome. Just click on that. It will take you to the Chrome web store, and in that Chrome web store you will be getting this Google Meet attendance extension and a blue color button which appears which says add this to Chrome. Just click on this blue color button and it will ask for the add extension. So now it may take some time to add this extension in Google Chrome, and you will be getting a successful message that is Google Meet attendance has been added to Chrome. So that is the simple procedure how to add this Google Meet attendance in Chrome. So now we can go to the Google Meet and you can create a new meeting or start a new meeting, and you can name the meeting as a trial. I give the name as trial and give continue. So the Google Meet starts enabling. So you may get a installation message for this attendance, and in the bottom of that you can see tweak your settings. Just click on the tweak your settings and you can adjust the settings as per your needs, like monitor the attendance. You can select it and automatically review the previous class attendances. You can select that, and you need the attendance as a file as an HTML file or CSV file. I just click CSV file and I just close this attendance. Now your Google Meet attendance has been enabled. I am going to join the meeting now and send request to my students so that, and I am asking my students to join this Meet classes. So you can see a blue color button which is present in the bottom which says that show or hide the attendance field. So if you click that, the attendance field will be disabled, and if you click on that, the attendance field will be enabled. So what I do is I am going to send a request to my student and ask them to join the classes. I just send a request to a student. An invitation has been sent to them. So this is the host, which is me, and once a student just to join the meet, his name will be appeared in the class list, and you can see a lot of icons present on the attendance. So that is clear the attendance check, or you can clear the class list. You can the start time of the class, and you can save the attendance as CSV file, and you can save the attendance as HTML file. Once you click this attendance, save it as a CSV file, automatically the CSV file will be downloaded in your downloads, and you can open the CSV file and you can see overall the students who attended the classes and what time they arrived into the classes and what time they exit into the classes. So here you can see the particular student Meena K has been entered into the class at 22:56 and left the class on the same time 22:56 within 1 minute. So like that you can monitor the attendance of the students easily and save these records for future use. and you can see the date will also be displayed in the top of the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is how the attendance, which enables you to monitor and track the students. And once you click the leave call also, the attendance will automatically download it and it will show you the following list what we saw now. Thank you.